Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick pack attack. Today we're going to be opening a Pokemon Sword and Shield retail booster pack. Let's just get into this bad boy. I love the Sword and Shield base set. Just on mere pulls, it's never let me down really. I think maybe a couple packs where I got absolutely nothing. But usually it does not disappoint. It's a series I keep going back to. So we got a code card. So let's start. So I got Lightning Energy, Drizzile, Sharp, Evolution Incense, Pinchurchin, Vulpix, Nickit, Baltoy, Chinchou, and Reverse Hollow Hyper Potion, and Morpeko Rainbow Rare VMAX. Wow, this is... I've never pulled a Rainbow Rare. This is really cool. And Sword and Shield never lets me down. Everybody have a great day. Have a great weekend. And don't forget to like and subscribe.